Girl, you look like a luxury doll, like 500,000.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this bomb curly wig that I got from RPGhair.com. It's so gorgeous. It's a curly wig. You guys, I don't know if you realize how much I love curly wigs. This is not the first curly wig that I'm showing you guys from RPGhair.com. It's so gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is the Brazilian Virgin Deep Wave Lace Front wig, and it's of a natural color. Yes, it's 14 inches long. It's a glueless lace front wig cap. It's 130% in hair density. It's a medium cap size. It's also of a light brown color, the lace that is, and yes, the knots are bleached. Today this is not going to be, I'm not going to keep you very long for this video. As you can see here, the front, I didn't go ahead and pluck it just because it came pre-plucked, so I was really happy with that. And I don't know if you guys have realized, but I'm trying to show you that it's easy to actually customize these wigs yourself, because I mean the wigs come pre-plucked, the knots are bleached, so I mean you really don't have that much to do. So I decided not to, you know, pluck the front of the wig any further. All I did was just remove the extra lace. And yeah, I proceeded to putting this onto my head, and you know, the usual, I have to secure it on properly. I stick all the combs that are on the inside within my braids so that everything is really secure. I use some of my Got To Be gel for the baby hair section. This is definitely optional. I know some people, they're like, they have so much opinions about baby hair. Some people is not for the baby hair life. If you're not, that's fine. You can definitely rock this wig without doing these baby hairs, okay? So don't come for me in the comments about them. Yeah, so I'm using the Got To Be gel, but I don't use too much. Yeah, so that's all I'm doing here. Then, oh, by the way, I think I proceeded to just wetting the hair a little when I applied it, but I didn't put much hair in there. I just kind of wanted to dampen it a little bit. I wanted the parting to be a little bit more visible, so I used some of my face powder and applied that to the parting so everything could be a little bit more pronounced in that area. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Right now I'm just combing out the curls. It's so soft, by the way guys, so soft. I'm combing out the curls so that it could be a little bit more voluminous. This wig is so light, it's not like of a heavy density. So if you're that person that likes more realistic type of curly wigs, not too much hair, not too heavy, I feel like this is perfect for you. This is definitely not a heavy curly wig. It's definitely on the lighter side. So yeah, I was just combing it through so it could be a little bit more fluffy and voluminous. And that's it guys. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Really quick and simple and to the point. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up, and don't forget to use my codes when you make your orders from RPGhair.com. PETITE-10 and SUE15. Everything will be listed in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. See you guys in my next video. Bye.